Dads, the steadied hand that guides us, the quiet strength behind our victories, the safety net that catches us when we fall. Often overshadowed by the spotlight of fatherhood, their love is a constant echo. A firm handshake, a sarcastic joke, a minute-long phone call. This Father's Day, let's celebrate the unsung heroes, the everyday extraordinary we call Dad. Father's Day is almost here, and you know what that means. Time to shower Dad with love and appreciation for all he does. Today, we are bringing you a fun-filled video packed with creative ideas to make this Father's Day extra special. Adventure time. Does your dad love the outdoors? Plan a fun hike, bike ride, or even a day at the park. Pack a picnic lunch, throw a frisbee around, or simply enjoy some quality time in nature. Or challenge dad to a game night. Dust off the board games, break out the video consoles, or have an epic backyard competition. Laughter and friendly competition guaranteed. A laid-back Sunday. Start the day off right with a delicious homemade breakfast feast. Whip up dad's favorites or get the whole family involved in trying out the new recipe together. Bonus points for cute decorations and a homemade card. Follow up the magic with a movie marathon. Pick out a selection of dad's favorite movies, grab some popcorns and snacks, and settle in for a cozy movie marathon. Make it extra special by digging out some old home videos or photos for a nostalgic trip down memory lane. Heartfelt honor. Sometimes the best gift is the gift of your time. Plan a day trip to a nearby town, explore a local museum, or simply spend the day relaxing together. Let dad choose the activity. It's all about focusing on creating lasting memories. Or get crafty. Instead of buying a store-bought card, make a heartfelt personalized card yourself. Put your skills to the test and make a homemade gift for dad. Add photos, funny messages, or anything else that shows dad how much you appreciate him. The most important thing to show your dad is how much you care, even though you're miles apart. Take a look at some ideas for sending love from afar. Send a personalized care package. Fill a box with goodies that remind dad of you or things that he enjoys. Include local treats from your area, photos of you together, a handwritten letter, or a delicious meal from his favorite restaurant. Hire a local performer for a personalized serenade. Think outside the box. Find a local musician, singer, or comedian in your dad's area and hire them for a virtual performance dedicated to him. It's a unique and a memorable way to celebrate from afar. Virtual talent show. Showcase your skills with a virtual talent show. Sing, dance, tell jokes, or show off any special skills you have. It's all about making dad laugh and having fun. Record a heartfelt video message. Put together a video message for dad filled with photos, funny stories, and heartfelt messages expressing your love and appreciation. You can even get your siblings or other family members to contribute to make it more special. Heart to heart. Don't forget, June is also Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. There is no better day than Father's Day to check up on him and maybe know his battles better. Make it about him and his selfless journey. You will be prouder than you are of him already. There you have it. We hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and helped you plan the perfect way to celebrate our superheroes this year. Remember, it's all about expressing your love and making your dad feel special. So get creative, have fun, and make this Father's Day one to remember. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fun content. Happy Father's Day to all the amazing dads out there.